Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lux. It's been a long time we put in a video. So today actually we are going to replace the tires of Seltos. It's almost like 64,000 kilometers driven. It's on a stock tire. It can still go for another 10k, but I see a thread wear indicator popping up. So I thought I'll get it replaced. So we'll be heading to the tire showroom right now, Ashoka Tyres, and get our car's tire replaced. These are the stock good days. So if you see here, you see the thread wear indicator here. So it is popping up now. But okay, it's 5 years, so better to replace them all. If you compare it to the Sonnet, it has excellent thread now. It's already 30,000, so see the difference. Let me show you the Seltos here. See, it's very less. So better to get it replaced. There is no puncture as such. Drives good still, but I thought okay, get it replaced. So order rating is around 64,210 kilometers now. All the 4 tires are out. Guys, we are going with the Secure Drive SUV CEAT. It's all 825 manufactured, February month. It is on the ramp right now. They'll be removing all the tires and then replacing with the CEAT. I've gone for this because this is the economical tire, because Michelin all are like literally double the price of what we get, and this is a SUV pattern. So this will at least last around 50-60,000 easily, and this comes with a 30-month up to 50% thread wear warranty. That means like it's unconditional warranty. If you register it online, as soon as you buy the tire, you'll get another additional 6 months. So 36 months warranty on this tire for unconditional, and you should have at least 50% of the thread wear left. And all these tires are like February manufactured. Let me show you the DOT on the tire. How do you check them? If you see on the bottom, let me turn the tire on this side. If you see here, this is the 8th week of 2025. All the 4 tires come here. Now you'll remove the valve here, see. I'm not replacing the valves now because they are looking good now, so it's not required. So per valve it will be around $1,000 if you replace it. Here they charge around 450 rupees. So they're cleaning the rim. There is nothing inside, but again, just want to make sure to clean it and put it in. They're getting in the other 2 of them. Rim is ready here. Just need to mount it. So now they are applying the paste, tire paste, and so the tire can slip into this rim easily. Both the side they apply. So basically what you need to observe here is that you need to match the valve mount, especially there is a yellow marking here if you see. This marking has to be matched with the valve. You should be very careful when doing this. Bring in the nitrogen on the tire. I asked for 36 psi all tires. Once the air is in, they will put the valve in. So now the tire is going for the wheel balancing. Each tire will be balanced. Once this is done, then we'll go with the alignment. So they're gonna mount the tire now. So they will be removing all the weights what is there already. All the existing weight they will remove it now. As you see. So it is showing me only 25 gram over on the right hand side. So you will put in the weights now, 25 grams. Just cleaning inside the rim to make sure there is no dust or anything so the weight can stick properly. And putting the weights in. Okay, tire looks okay, now they'll remove it. Guys, these are the 4 new tires what we fitted, all CEAT, and these are the 4 tires old. So the first tire goes in after fixing. So the second tire going in. Now it's going for the alignment. Hi guys, this is Mr. Vinod. He has done all my service today, and thanks to Vinod for making this happen.